you can enroll into n number of batches and have knowledge of that particular course. And yes, 6 months I was not active on IntelliPath. Still, the support system helped me a lot, going through the course structure and going through instructor based classes.
What was your background and skill set?
Okay, so I have around 3.5 years of experience into analytics, and that too in various domains like manufacturing, real estate, and retail industry, and publishing services as well. So it's been very good to explore data and being into working with different skill sets like using R, using Python, using Tableau, Power BI, and exploring all the softwares using the data visualization techniques as well.
What was your objective of the trade?
So I like to be with the trends. About the objective, it was surely to explore my skills into analytics, brush up my skills. Like you can work on data, you can work on some coding and skills, but you can't interpret unless you have the core knowledge. So it was basic motive was to brush up the skills and have knowledge that you can interpret a layman person about the technologies that you are using. So for that reason, I enrolled this course.
Were you facing any challenges before taking up the course?
Like I was not sure to which how to start first. Like, should I take SQL first or should I take R first, or what is the joining this course may give me an organized way to go through the structure. What should I give me a path actually.
How did you find our course material?
It's amazing. It's more than enough, I would say, because no other company is providing you so much like these things. Like the course structure is very explorative and elaborative. So it's amazing.
So, in the class, did you get individual attention and were all your doubts cleared?
Yes, of course. The individual attention is given. Like if you have any doubts, you can ask it personally as well. Like if you have any, like if you don't, if you are shy and if you don't want to ask into the class, you can ask it personally by email or by emailing them the support system and keeping the trainer in the CC or something like that, and you can have a clear chat section to discuss with him or her.
So, how did you find our assignments and projects?
Very elaborative assignments, especially everything is covered. Whatever you have been trained into the lectures, you get that into assignments. You can go through it, you can work on it, and you can send it to the support system to have whether to test whether you have completed it well or no. So you get response from them as well. And projects as well are amazing. So it is industry based, so you get an industry approach of what a business problem solving technique you get from the projects.
So, after completing the course, was your objective fulfilled?
Yes, of course. Like I have got an organized way to study. I have completed so many courses, I've some completed so many projects, so it satisfies me.
Is there anything else you want to share with our viewers? Any suggestion?
I would just say them to go through the structure, go through uh, like compare with other platforms, compare with other learning platforms. You will 100% you will come to IntelliPath because it is much cheaper. It is giving you a good course structure and resume building and interview preparation skills as well. So it is amazing. What do you want more than this?
It was
Thank
very
you.
nice talking to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.